Right, so I am recording in the garden. I don't normally record outside, but I wanted to show off this item that I bought yesterday. Now, it's not a gramophone. It looks quite a bit like a gramophone, but it's not a gramophone. But let's see what actually is there. So, it's a sort of squarish cabinet. In fact, I think it is pretty much square. It's got a sort of drawer here. This is plywood, which was around in the 1920s, and I think this is when this cabinet is from. Not sure if that stop there is original. And we've got some doors here with little, very much like gramophone knobs on them. Let's open them up, and inside I had hoped there would be a maker's mark on the door or something, but there's nothing. But it's quite well made with these little catches here. And some shelves, and I don't think the shelves are original. There are actually some marks over this side. You might just be able to see. I think they are the original marks of the shelves. So the shelves are similar configuration to what they were before. They may be for record storage. I'm going to have to see if they are for record storage. Back in the 1920s, quite a few gramophones did actually store records this way around, even though nowadays it's considered just better to store them the other way around. So we've got that. Nothing else really inside. Nothing really on the sides. The top's a slightly unusual shape. It's got a big crack down it. Might be caused by being stored inside. Central heating can do this too. Wood sometimes. And there's a big crack down the back too, which is a bit unfortunate, but I don't think it's a real problem. And I think the side is veneered. Seems to be two pieces. There's a join there I can feel. And these sort of side legs here, very much sort of gramophone in style. So it's not a gramophone, but it's certainly gramophone related as far as I'm concerned. And the clue really is this top. And it's got these weird sort of dents here, or cutouts. And they're dirty. Let's get that in camera shot there. Like they've had something in them. The top actually may have been refinished at some point. I'm not convinced that's the original finish. But I think these are actually for the feet of a gramophone. So I'm going to put the camera on a tripod and show you what I mean. So I think it is a base for a horn gramophone like this one. Now this is a modern fake, modern replica if you like, but it's about the same size as the real thing. I mean, I do have a real one, but it's actually a little bit smaller. But quite a few of them were this sort of size, and that is what I think it is. So what do you think? I'll put on the screen also what I paid for it. It was originally £69, reduced to £59, and then the dealer was having a closing sale, unfortunately, so it went down to £47. So that's what I paid for it, and yeah, I quite like it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.